Making sense of periods in email signatures. Digital communication decoded. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving into the world of digital communication, focusing on a specific area of punctuation, the period. More specifically, we're going to talk about how periods are used in email signatures. This might seem like a tiny detail, but it's an important part of professional communication. To begin with, let's clarify what an email signature is. It's a block of text appended to the end of an email message which often includes the sender's name, contact information, and sometimes a quote or slogan. It's a form of identification, and it's also a way to provide additional contact information. In this context, the period isn't typically used to end sentences like in normal prose. Instead, its function often shifts, acting more as a separator or a stylistic choice. You may notice that some people use periods in their email signatures, while others don't. When periods are used, they serve to separate different pieces of information. For instance, consider the following signature: John Doe, CEO, XYZ Corporation. Here, periods are used to separate the name, the title, and the company. However, it's equally common to see email signatures without periods. John Doe, CEO, XYZ Corporation. Both styles are correct. The use of periods in email signatures is largely a matter of personal preference and the need for clarity. One point to note is that the use of periods can sometimes impact the tone of the email. Some research suggests that in text messages, ending sentences with a period can make them seem more formal or even insincere. While this doesn't necessarily apply directly to email signatures, it's something to keep in mind. As a general guideline, if you're unsure, it's better to keep your email signature simple and clear rather than overusing punctuation. We hope this discussion on the usage of periods in email signatures has been enlightening. Remember, the key to professional digital communication is clarity and consistency. Whether you choose to use periods in your email signature or not, ensure that the information is easy to read and understand. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.